Hey friends, who's hungry? This Instant Pot black bean soup with smoky andouille sausage is packed with bold flavors and ready in no time. Press the Sauté function on the Instant Pot. Press Adjust and change the temperature to medium. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in the Instant Pot. Add 1 pound of sliced andouille sausage and sauté in the oil until it starts to brown. Remove the sausage from the pot and set aside. Deglaze the pan with 4 cups of beef broth, turn off the sauté function and add 1 16-ounce bag of dried black beans to the beef broth along with 1 teaspoon of salt. Seal the Instant Pot, set the function to manual, and set the timer to 0. Yes, 0. Bringing the pot to pressure is enough time to soften the beans. Release the pressure either manually or through natural release. Then add 1 medium diced onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and additional salt to taste. Replace the lid and seal. Set the function to manual again and set the time for 30 minutes. After the pressure has released, add 2 10-ounce cans of diced tomatoes with green chilies and return the andouille sausage to the pot. Stir the soup until heated through. Garnish the soup with sour cream, shredded cheddar, sliced jalapenos, tortilla chips, or cilantro if desired. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.